Good morning. Today's the first day of school of the new semester, and I am walking to school, even though I usually hate walking to school because I need to exercise, and my doctor told me that 30 minutes of exercise is just a brisk walk outside was absolutely acceptable, so that's what I'm going to do. It's even too cold for salt to even be very effective in melting stuff. So today I'm going to take you on a tour of my first day of school, and I hope to accurately portray the anxiety I feel going to class. Ooh, tire swing. I'm surrounded by people now. Made it to class. Waiting for my next class. This is the most fascinating class I've ever been in. This is the house my wife was living in when we were dating. Snowball! And that's the sound my anxiety makes. Also, Ruby rolled over today. Congratulate her in the comments below. I'll see you tomorrow. Snowball!